So we're here in Chesapeake, Virginia at Earthcore Industries, the manufacturer of Isokern fireplaces. And today we're going to be taken on a tour by Tim Dockery, who's going to walk us through the entire process from aggregate to finished product. So follow along. So this is what sets Isokern apart. It's the pumice. Comes from Mount Hekla volcano in Iceland, shipped across the Atlantic, brought here to the plant in Chesapeake, Virginia. And this is what really makes an Isokern different than anything else.
So we have two different grades of pumice. It's the same material, it's just graded by size. We use a fine material, which is from 0 to 6 millimeters in diameter, and then a coarse material, which is from 6 to 10 millimeters in diameter. The first two silos are our fine material.
Yep.
The next three are our coarse, and the far one on the end, we save all of our scrap. This is such an expensive material that we save every piece of scrap we generate. We'll crush it back up to our specs, and we'll introduce it back into certain products.
Okay.
How we blend these gives us a combination of lightweight plus strength. For example, if I give you a gallon jar and I say fill it full of softballs, it only holds so many and it's full. But if I hand you marbles and say add marbles, you're starting to fill in some of those spaces with marbles. And that's what we do with our coarse versus fine pumice. We're filling in those spaces to give us the required strength, but we're careful not to get it so heavy that we become detrimental to our firelight applications.
So the key is blending these two materials together.
To minimize weight, maximize strength. You're absolutely correct.
Gotcha. So now here's the fun part. Let's go see how this stuff's made.
So we mix the pumice, we bring it into the machine where we make the blocks. Then it's transported into the cure system where we have the luxury right now, we don't have to add any heat, any chemicals, anything. We have the capacity to let it naturally cure. Then the production boards will come out with the parts, and this machine is only pick and place onto a pallet. So we make about 500,000 different components annually, and it's all really made by two people.
Once the Isokern components are complete, they head over to the packaging department at the Earthcore facility.
For every product we pack, we have a certain arrangement that it has to fit, and the styrofoam you see them use is not to protect the product. It's to make the top of it level so we can stack them 3 and 4 high in the yard. Gotcha. So our whole goal is to pack it in such a way that it's flat on top. And each pack has certain things that go on each layer to allow that to happen.
And there you have it. From the depths of the Hekla volcano to the comfort of your own home, Earthcore shows how much care goes into every product they make.